Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come in stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q5 Edition one with the 40 TDI engine and the Quattro S-Tronic automatic and four-wheel drive transmission. This particular model comes in the stunning ultra blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre diesel engine you get 201 brake horsepower with 400 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 around 7.4 seconds, whilst having enough space for you and all the family. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 20-inch Audi Sport 5V spoke star design alloy wheels in anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, having a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork and working really nice with the gloss black styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened with a touch of a button or a double click of the boot unlock button on the key. This reveals plenty of space for your daily items and even enough space for your weekend away luggage. The interior is finished in full fine Napa leather in black with contrasting grey stitching from maximum luxury, with the centre armrest and dual cup holders, as well as the tri-zone climate control bringing up the comfort elements. This lets the rear passengers set at their own temperature. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so that you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. Onto the front where we have a rather sporty looking flat bottom S-line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossed in at the top and are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice control to transmit to any phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button which brings up the 360-degree camera systems, so even in those tight supermarket car parking spaces you have peace of mind knowing you're not going to damage that precious bodywork. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can set a different temperature or synchronise all three if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.